Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail like this one. So go on Google and literally type in like Temple Night or something like that. Whatever picture you want, go to images. There's a lot of pictures here. Click the one you want. I like this big one right here, so I'm going to click on that. Then right click on it and then click save images and save it wherever you have it downloaded. Click save. It'll download to where you want it to. Then if you want some like meme eyes or something, look up meme eyes PNG and make sure to put PNG at the end so that it's clear. And then find the one you want. I'm trying to find like a blue, yeah, something like this. Click on it. Yeah, make sure it's like transparent. So then save it to where you want. Alright. Now if you want a For Honor logo, just literally do the same thing. Just look up For Honor logo. Okay, now at this website, go to custom images and put in 1280 by 720 because that's the YouTube size. So yeah. Now that you're at this screen, click on upload in the bottom left. Find your image, and yeah, it'll appear here on the middle of the screen basically, or to the side. And then click on it. It'll be put there, and then you can just like size it to what you want. Make sure it's covering the full screen. Well, you don't have to, but I usually do. Okay, so I'm just sizing it. Now go to where you have the meme eyes. Open that up, and it'll just automatically load where the other picture is. Once it's done loading, just click it. It'll appear there. You can move it around. You can resize it. Put it where you want. And then I like to duplicate it, so click the duplicate button, and then yeah, put it where you want. Next, yeah, just do the same thing with the For Honor logo, and yeah, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is find images you want, and yeah, resize it, put it where you want, and now yeah, you can push save right here at the top, and make sure it's a JPEG, because that's just how YouTube wants it, and then push download, and yeah, that's it. Hope you were able to understand. I was going a little fast.